In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Ancient Archives. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to open the Ancient Archives, you will need to acquire 4 fragments, so 4 specific items, and this is something that you will need 4 people to do, including yourself. So sadly, you cannot do this solo. You will need to gather 3 friends or 3 random people who are willing to help you open the Ancient Archives. So once you have 4 people, including yourself, plus the fragments that I'm going to mention, you will be able to open the Ancient Archives. So go to the Ancient Isle, make your way to the door, and you will be able to open it as long as first there is an eclipse going on. So this is going to be the first requirement. You need to be doing this during an eclipse or else it will not work. And besides an eclipse needing to happen, you will have to acquire 4 fragments. So as you can see, they are listed here. They are going to be the Ancient Fragment, the Solar Fragment, the Earth Fragment, and finally the Deep Sea Fragment. So these are going to be the main requirements. Like I said before, you will need 4 people. This is because each one of you will receive one of the shards and you will go up to a specific totem or a specific pressure plate where you must press down while you have the shard. So you can get one of these shards and then each one of your friends will gather one of the other ones. So Ancient, Solar, Earth, and Deep Sea. Like I said before, you also need to be doing this during an eclipse. So these are going to be the 2 main steps. So go over to the location. When you go up to any of these totems, you will notice that you can rotate them to face yourself. So make sure that the totem is facing you. There is going to be a pressure plate in front of this totem that each of you will have to stand on. So one for Ancient, one for Earth, one for Deep Sea, and one for Solar. So step on the pressure plate, then rotate the totem until it faces you, and as long as you have one person on each of these pressure plates, with the fragments during an eclipse and all of them are facing you, you will open the door to the Ancient Archives. So if all of the requirements are met, it is going to begin opening on its own. I hope I was able to help you on how to open Ancient Archives. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.